Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. As you guys can see, we are here with sensational Butta Lace pre-style unit number one. Ain't nobody tell me that synthetic wigs is coming pre-styled now. I see somebody been peeping into the virgin hair community. Y'all over there being nosy and say, oh, if they can do it, we can do it too. I see y'all, okay? So it does come pre-plucked and it does come with baby hairs. This is what it looks like straight out the pack. Now this construction, I was confused. I'm like, where the lace at? We just got a middle part, some edges, and a bunch of combs. What is this gonna do? Anyway, let's put it on our head for the first time, okay? Now this lace, y'all already know I love sensational lace. Very comfortable on the skin, so soft, supple, love it. It needs to be tinted, that's for sure. Now, as far as the buns are secure. They ain't going nowhere, but the ponytail is not tight enough for me. I need that ponytail slick back and super duper tight, okay? This is the back of the unit, okay? We got to tint that, of course, but these curls are beautiful. I went ahead and tinted the lace off camera because, duh, it's transparent. You better not be caught out here with no transparent white lace out in these streets. Please don't. So I'm just taking a makeup wipe and removing the tinted lace from the hair strands. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off this lace. We don't need all of this, okay? It is 2024, about to be 2025. And y'all still having all that extra lace on your forehead because why? Get it together, okay? The less the lace, the better. We got to secure this down. It is hot, another hot summer day. We need this to be secured. So I'm going in with about 3 to 4 layers of this Kiss Lace spray. I'm using my finger to spread it out. If you are new, I say this all the time, working sections, girl. I'm taking my Andis blow dryer and we're just gonna go ahead and dry this down. Wait till it's tacky. Lay it down. Once it gets sticky, it's kind of getting stuck to your finger, you know it's time to lay it down. Now sometimes, depending on your blow dryer and things like that, some sections may dry quicker than others, so you may have to, you know, just pull up on the lace to see if anything is lifting. It was stuff lifting, as you guys can see, that all wasn't laid down, so I'm just going to go underneath of it and spray more of that product. We're going to follow back up with our blow dryer, and we're going to allow it to get tacky again and stick it right back down. Yeah, you really want to make sure your wig is secured. I'm telling you, especially in the summertime. You can't get caught slipping. Sometimes if I feel like I left too much lace on, I just trim it off. You can do it. Why was I shaking like that, girl? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pull the baby hairs back down because I'm going to go ahead and melt that lace. I don't want the baby hairs to get stuck up in the hairline with that glue. No, ma'am. So we're going to pull that back down and we're going to grab my new favorite elastic bands. I will have them linked down below. I got these from Target as well. I'm obsessed with these. So I'm going to leave that on for about 10 minutes and then we're going to take it off and we're going to move on. Y'all, this looks like freaking scalp. Stop playing with me. You would think I got on a HD unit because look at this. I love their hairline. I love their hairline. Okay, so we're gonna brush those baby hairs that we're not using back into the hairline. I'm gonna work with the baby hairs they gave us because y'all know I'm famous for creating my own. So I'm gonna take some what am I doing? I don't know. I'm gonna take some 𝐦𝐴 gel for the baby hairs that I'm not using, and we're gonna brush that up to the hair into the hairline. And then I'm gonna also use that 𝐦𝐴 gel to lightly swoop the baby hairs. I did not want my baby hairs to be hard and stuck down this day, so I lightly used the 𝐦𝐴 gel, dried it down just a tad bit, and swoop. So they're not stuck, they're not hard, they can come up. That's the type of vibe that I was going for this day. I am gonna trim up the baby hairs a little bit, not too much. And lastly, I'm just taking my Ruby Kisses cream foundation and defining the part in the center. Now, I didn't do the back of the head. It's got tinted spray on there, so it should be fine in the back. But this is how it is. If I would just wear it out the pack without maneuvering it, without doing anything, this is how I would go out the house. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about it? I don't know what I think. I just feel like I just keep seeing Minnie and Mickey Mouse. But this is the back of the head. Like I said, the back of the head is fine because it's got tinting spray on it. What do y'all think? All right, so now we took those buns out. We're gonna go into doing multiple styles. They say you could do 3 styles. I think I did I do 4 or did I do 3 too? Y'all, I don't know. Because I guess the first style don't count because I'm just going to redo that style again. But anyway, we're just taking our Andis hot comb and we're going to hot comb everything nice and neat. We're doing 2 pigtails right now. When it comes down to my ponytails, I like them to be tight and flat and super neat. So I'm going to go in and wrap that rubber band as tight as I can get it. And I was so shocked. Like, y'all, look at this lace. This lace is not even a full lace frontal. It's just a middle part and a part in the back. And how is it laid super duper flat? Like, so flat. You would think that it's a full lace frontal. I was shook up. Sensational. Y'all did that because I was skeptical. I was like, this is going to look a mess. So when it comes down to my ponytails, my pigtails, I like them more to the center of my head, to each his own. You can move it wherever you like. This is where I want them to sit, you know, kind of high up in the center, almost like. That's cute to me, okay? So this is how I style my pigtails. So now I'm just redoing the space buns, and I feel like it just really depends on how you like your space buns to sit. I like my buns to sit more so in the center of my head, just like my ponytails. I just feel like it just better works with my head shape, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and just swoop these up very messy, and we're gonna go ahead and bobby pin them into position. I really wish I had like my hair stuff. I didn't have my hair stuff with me, so I couldn't like add accessories and stuff. I think it would have been super cute. You know, of course I would have switched the outfit and whatever, but I feel like it would have been super cute if I had my hair accessories, so we could just, it could have been fun. You could add pins. It could have been cute. I may come back and do that if y'all want me to. Anyway, this is how it turns out. I love them. I love them when they're closer in the center of my head. It is super cute. The last 2 styles I'm doing is a messy side part and a half up and half down unit. So I did not decide to wear it as a middle part down because I felt like the density on this unit is a little much for my liking. Sometimes it's going to give safari like I'm in the jungle or something when it's just too much hair. Okay, so personally, I love a lot of density, but not too much. Synthetic be going they be going ham with the density. But I was just super shocked by this unit because I thought the unit was gonna be bumpy and lumpy because it wasn't full lace. But y'all seen the ponytails can be super duper flat. You can't even tell me that this is not a full lace frontal. I was shooketh. Okay, Sensational did that. This wig I definitely would recommend for my beginners because even as being inexperienced, you can still do the styles as experienced people and have the same results by doing less work. Okay, I'm all about doing less work. Okay, I did not redefine the curls on this particular unit because I did not have time. So this is what it is straight out of the pack. But you can add foam wrap lotion, gel, whatever you like. That's what it is. So overall, y'all, when I tell you guys, I am just blown away. Again, blown away by this unit. I'm gonna give her a 9.5 because she just surpassed my. Look how flat this ponytail is looking. Y'all see how flat this is? You cannot tell me nothing. You could not tell me that this wasn't full lace. They did that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will leave the direct link to this unit in the description section below. All other products I use will be down there as well. I really love this unit, y'all. So yeah, until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye.